Which was the melee button? There it is. Thank you. So the flood isn't either side, right? They're a different thing. Own thing. Got it. Do you remember what they are? Because I do not remember what they are. I went up the lights. Yeah. What? You hear no chicken. What? That was so loud on my end. There we go. Does that work? Taiga and Game are silent. Oh, thank you. Chica's sister Kemma bard work near Houston was very fun. Almost on a ride that leaves you hanging upside down. Nice. Those are fun. Those are so fun. Alright, there's a guy on a turn over there.
Perfect.
Yeah. Oh,
if
tree.
I could get up this giant tree, then I would do something.
Tree. Oh, he's not on the turn anymore.
Yeah, he's not on there anymore. Maybe he died.
I definitely saw a body running to it. They are
Maybe
the
flood got to
undead.
him.
Oh joy. Too soon. Oh, hills are my enemy. Oh, they're shooting something. Where they're shooting? Uh-oh. I don't know what they're shooting.
They're running away from the flood, probably.
Already?
Yeah, the flood's in there somewhere.
They're just straight up running.
Ow.
Oh god. You're so fast! Why is this guy so fast? We're just running around a tree. Oh, I'm so bad.
They gotta do what they gotta do.
Battle cry must be heard. The chicken dance. I do not remember the flood being this early in the game.
Well, you will be pleasantly surprised.
Alright, we're in.
At least I remember them being in this level. I could be wrong, but...
How do I activate?
Get on!
Oh.
Okay. I was like, you're gonna fucking...
You had to pick up Chick-fil-A if it didn't get to the gas station. Oh! Yikes, dude. I see why it's very bad. Oh, I heard that. Was that you?
Nope. Grenade.
What? Oh. Hi guys, just don't hit me.
Oh my god, I got caught on the fucking...
Why are they still in here? Oh. Had to like
Let's
pull away from that.
First.
I'm gonna say it's gonna be.
A grenade.
Oh, that was almost me.
Yeah, I was like watching you walk by.
Thank you for throwing that.
I didn't throw it.
Cutscene prevent. Oh, okay, thank you, Omnifor. He says we'll see it before the cutscene.
Yeah, we'll know when it happens.
Yeah, that's true.
These tiny spaces.
Yeah, don't blow us up with anything, please. Oh, you're so short. Where are you? Oops.
This is also the level where I remember getting lost and going in circles for like 5 years.
Oh, joy. That's not what I want to hear. A lot of these maps are already very confusing.
Yeah.
Oh god, you just teleported. That scared me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need an alien gun soon.
I think we have to jump up here. Oh, there's needlers all over the ground over here.
Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Wow.
You probably have to jump up there. Oh, frick, I did not jump. There we go.
Actually, this kind of does look familiar. Hello,
yeah,
Cam.
right?
Don't shoot me.
He's been haunted by the flood. Ow, he fucking shot me.
Yeah, I don't remember him shooting. How's he
No,
here?
I definitely took damage.
I did too.
Yeah, he's gonna... Should we just kill him now?
Why?
Because he could get converted to the flood.
Does he? Or is that just...
I have no idea.
I don't remember him.
I think he existed. I don't remember taking damage from him, though.
Is he just
Where the frick did you go?
I went up by the fire ramp up here. To the left where he is.
Oh, I see you.
Up here, yeah. I like how he's a lone survivor of a bunch of aliens. And he's just screaming, okay. Yep.
Trying his best.
Okay,
after
you're right.
seeing...
This is very confusing.
Yep. It all just looks the same.
It's just, yeah, it's just square, 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 and then you just walk through it somehow. Looks like we go around. Chat, let me know if it's too quiet or loud or, you know, the deal. Oh, there's a gun right here.
Oh, the music begins.
The music is very sporadic. Oh, there's a hole. There's a ramp over there, I don't know why.
Probably have to go down the ramp.
Going down is never good.
Deeper.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, alright. I would like a shotgun, please.
Sound seems good. Alright, cool. I'm not ready for this. Oh, I remember this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna be paranoid now.
Paranoid.
To like shoot everything triple times.
Oh man. I don't remember them being that bad, but guess we'll find out. It's just a limp ass body. That's weird.
Jenkins.
I really don't remember much. Dawn of the Dead time. Did you ever watch that movie?
No. I don't like horror, bruh.
It wasn't horror, it was like a weird comedy with the zombies.
Oh. I
Yeah.
don't know then. This is new.
It's not showing anything on my... Oh, never mind. Is
Is
this new?
Watch your mouth,
I
son.
feel like it was new.
This stuff is your history. It should remind you grunts what we're fighting to protect.
Hey, if the governor want to wipe out this particular part of my history, that's
They might be
fine
right.
by me.
Yeah, better it than us.
You ask them real nice next time you see them, Vicente. I'm sure they'll be happy to oblige.
LZ looks clear. I'm bringing us down.
Go, go, go!
You have emotes. Yeah, RP. Enjoy the emotes. I remember the end where like he's screaming,
Jenkins.
but not this whole thing.
Yeah, I think this, like, playing through the recordings is new.
Mendoza, move it up!
Oh, the black guy's here.
Yep.
Oh.
Wait here for the captain and his squad, then get your ass inside.
Get your ass
Sir.
inside.
Okay, let's move!
So there's just alien little tunnels on this planet already?
Which is weird, right? I mean, look at it. Something scrambled the insides.
What's that? Plasma scoring?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there was an accident, you know, friendly fire or something?
Hey, Serenity. Thanks for lurking.
What do we have, Sergeant? Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite.
Oh.
All KIA.
Captain's here.
Real pretty. Friend of yours?
Aw, thanks, Serenity.
Wow, we just met.
You remember the novelist Jenkins was a POV character that converted to combat form, had enough control to attempt suicide. What? What? I don't remember that.
Right.
What?
Well, let's get this door open.
I'll try, sir.
Oh,
Looks
this
like
is
he's
what
coming
Cortana
over
wanted
pretty
to
hard
stop,
lock you
right?
down.
Just do it,
In
son.
one?
Yes, sir.
No, in the when last time we played, she was like freaking out about how we had to go find keys and stop him.
Oh, yeah, stop the leader. Or stop the captain, you mean.
Yeah, stop the captain
Yeah.
from trying to get into whatever it is.
Was it this part?
Because I think this was like the location of whatever like
The Halo.
control
Yeah.
for the Halo,
Uh-huh.
but it really was just like you don't want to go there because the flood.
Dang, I personally do not remember this plot. I was hoping they'd explain a bit more, but
Feeling about something.
they haven't.
What's going on, soldier?
He's got contact. Lost them. But they're not Covenant. They're just tearing through us. What's the clone? No!
Corporal, do you copy? Over. Mendoza, get your ass back up to second squad's position and find
Yeah, it
out
can't be
what
just the
hell is
door,
going
because if
on.
they're
I
everywhere.
don't have time for your lip, soldier. I gave you an order.
Sarge,
I hear
listen.
it. I hear it.
What is that? Where's that coming from, Mendoza?
I don't.
Why doesn't the captain have a gun? Whoa, what the? When did that happen?
Hold still! Let him have it.
There's his gun. Yeah, it's not that they opened the
We're
door.
surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapon!
There are too many,
Don't
Sarge.
even think about it, Marine.
What is it, Coco?
Oh, he
Back here,
leaves.
Marine. That's an order.
Jenkins!
No.
I can't read that bottom word. It's just like cut out for me.
Oh,
It says like
KIA.
it's the end of it says it's like yeah, the top half of the words were cut off for me. Yeah, that's new. Loot, loot, loot!
Get ready to frickin' die.
Oh, is that a shotgun? No, it wasn't.
I wish it was.
Yeah. Well, usually red dots appear on the screen. See.
Oh, here we go.
What, where? Oh, that door.
North, yeah.
Confused why would we want to go deeper into this place, but that's fine.
Probably. I don't know if we're looking for keys or what at this point.
The controls for Halo. I heard another door open.
Kind of to the right.
Okay. Oh, yeah. they're just on your feet.
Yep. The little munchkins.
They look scarier in
I mean,
better
better
graphics. Oh, fuck my ammo. They look like crabs.
Another one opened up.
Before in the first game, they didn't have red on them, right? They were just like little dots,
They just look like little yellow
like
bulbous
squids.
things.
Oh. I have no idea what just happened, but thank you, Mod.
There's another one somewhere?
Yeah, there's one giant one. Here? Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh, not one. It's not one.
Oh, I fucking hate this music. This music gives me anxiety.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, chat. It's very hard to read doing this. Oh, they're here! I thought they'd be tiny.
No. We got upgraded.
Oh, he just threw something at me. Behind you.
Perfect. I'm just gonna run
Just,
around.
yeah, just keep going. Don't stop.
Yep.
Oh, we're just going back through
Okay,
the
there's
doors,
more.
huh? There's a tiny one. Is it behind me? Sorry,
yeah.
I just think it shot your head.
No, you're fine.
Okay, cool.
They're tiny.
I feel like with Halo I might have to get more mods. But... Alright, we good? Did we leave?
I guess so? I don't know, like, which way we're supposed to go.
Well, I mean, all the doors are, like, banged open for some... Yeah, they're empty.
Okay,
I think
let's
we just go
back to where we
backwards, yeah. I like to climb to shit. I think
Oh.
fucking supposed to shit.
came. Red dots every fucking where.
I like how that rhymed. It's coming from the front and to our right. Why are they coming to our right? Alright, front. Yeah, I think we just keep going backwards. I don't like that noise. I'm going right. Oh, it's behind me.
Oh, that's coming now.
Oh, this is where the tiny hallways suck.
Make sure they might come back after you kill them, so just double.
tuck up anymore? What is tuck to you? Omniforce, sorry about that. There, after the last time we had, where are
I
they?
hear lots of
Yeah.
noises.
Holy shit! Why is there so many? How did I throw a grenade? It jumped.
Oh yeah, they are very jumpy boys. I do remember
Where are they
that.
fighting? Oh, they're fighting grunts.
They're fighting the late,
Don't jump. They're jumping.
the
It's
alien
jumping.
boys.
It's up. Oh, it missed. They're trying to jump. You can jump a little higher, fam. Oh, he's trying. He's on my side. Oh, hello again. What's it doing? I must function as annoying buzz whine, anxiety-driven sound. Ah, yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, nice. Did not know that existed. What is this? Why are you blinking?
It's locked.
Oh.
Probably have to go down.
There's one right here.
Is it open?
Yeah, it's green.
Okay.
Oh god, tiny corridors.
Yep.
Oh god damn it! I jumped, dude. Ah, stop!
Oh
You
my
stop! You! I
did we
went
come
backwards. Holy fuck. You're gonna teleport again. There it is.
Oh, yep,
Scared me.
Alright, this is a new room.
Okay, cool. I see red. You need to move.
No, dude, too fast.
Ah, it's jumping. Made it up. Oh, it's up again.
You see what I mean? They come back to life.
Yeah, I forgot.
I hear them.
Yeah, I mean the red dots say they're underneath us. Oh god, the noises are like around my head. I don't know where they are.
Yeah, I can hear them, but I don't see them.
There's one tiny one that's trying to jump up, and there's a big one. They're dead. There's another one somewhere.
Oh shit, I fell. Well,
It's fine, there's a ramp
No.
right there. You see it? I don't see it.
nope.
Do you see the ramp?
Nope.
There it is. It's behind you.
What's behind me?
Got it, it's fine.
Okay. Where the fuck is the ramp?
Oh, I thought there was a ramp. There's doors. Oh wait, hold on. Did we have to go downstairs? I think we do. Here, this one. Oh, you teleported me. Just join me, is that what you just said? You just go backwards?
I don't know.
Did you go back? You went back? I see needlers. Hey, Llama Switch, what's up?
Okay, so we were here before.
Oh, I'm lost. You went the wrong way, no?
I don't know, dude.
Wait, let me grab more needlers.
Hey.
I do not play Xbox. This is PC. I don't play consoles anymore. Besides Switch. Ah, the teleporting is gonna get on my nerves. Right here to the right. Follow the blinking
Okay.
light. There is something behind us.
Yep, I see that.
Above us? Oh, yep, there they are. No?
Probably
They're
just
not-
leaking.
They're not coming from the sky? Okay. Let's just
For
keep,
now.
Let's just keep
For now.
going. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna teleport. Don't scare me.
I'll try.
Why is there so much red around us? Fuck! Oh, don't
happy.
run in front of me! Ah! Oh, why are we down here? Oh, shit. Oh, bombs. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, good. Oh, God. Oh, good. Oh, good. Ah, I died. It's gonna get your nerves, so keep up. Oh, there's some behind that door too. You just gotta leave. I think if we go backwards. Yeah, there you go. I'm back.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like behind the closed doors. Alright, let's try that again. I hear grunts.
Yeah, they suffering.
Where's the door? Blinking light?
I think we have to jump up here. Yeah.
Oh, I see. He's right there. There's health packs. There's a door on the left. Ah, yeah, my side. What is this? Nope, okay.
Nope. Looks like we just have to go to that door.
Wait. So these, like, Covenant rooms existed already, right?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
just
That's a lot of
things
red.
went south. Not red.
Okay. It's behind me. They're all behind me.
Oh,
Yeah?
hello.
Oh. They dead. One more. Okay. Well, I watched Justice League. I was actually watching the Justice League Snyder Cut just now before I started streaming. I think I'm a little more than halfway through it before I had to stop. It's okay.
Well, the music started again.
Yeah.
This is
Which
the stress music.
way?
Every way.
Oh, look at the
Every
map.
fucking way.
Wait, hold on. Oh god, I can't pause it. I realize that I'm blocking the map. I should be on the other side of my stream. Why are we down here? You're going to get me killed.
Oh my god, melee attacks do not work.
Alright, 1 second.
Okay, music has jumped.
This side. Alright. Is there a door that I missed? Oh, it's around that thing. Yeah, all these maps look the same. It's kind of annoying. There are more red dots.
Yep, I see them.
Why don't we just funnel them through this? Oh, I saw a human. Was that a human?
It might be a human turned flood.
Oh yeah, it's humans. They're down there. Oops. They're all dead now. Oh no! Oh god!
Hell.
Ah! Did you turn it off on me?
Nope, I didn't touch nothing.
Oh,
No,
shit.
it just goes in and out.
Okay, it's a human. At least he's human for now. Oh, there's someone. Okay.
Yeah, there's a human down there.
There's a door down here too. Is there a door up there? I don't think so.
You alright, kid?
Are you invisible? Oh god, you scared me. I was like, I don't want to do elites and the flood right now. Ew, I hear it. Ew, I hear it. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, yep.
Oh god. Oh god. Tight spaces. They're in there. It's coming. I know. Why do I hang around the corners?
Choose one side, I'll go the other.
Alright, I'm going left.
Alright.
I picked wrong! Tiny. Oh god. Stop.
Oh, what the?
I know, they're so tiny. Why are they in here? Alright, I'm at the middle. Oh shit. They're falling from the sky. Oh, it's got Needler. So I don't think they introduced the ability to completely destroy combat forms until 3. Above us?
Yep.
How do we jump up? Oh, back left. Same exact mechanic, that's the first room. Oh, no, no. Why are you alive? With no arms. Oh man, they look gross up close in HD.
I bet they do.
Yeah, I can see their faces. I didn't know there was faces on them.
I mean, they basically take over
Yeah, you're
other
right.
people, so.
Unless you care to test it out, please. Uh-oh.
Alright, I'll go right.
Oh, okay, I'm going left.
Right.
Alright, we're good.
Oh, well, that was clear.
Going left. That looks like a dinosaur.
Oh, this is where we were earlier.
Is it? No, it's right here. Right here. Oh.
Hey, I found a shotgun, bitches.
Alright. It's the door's on the left. Going left. That's a lot of dots.
Always.
Going left. Oh, why? I feel like they're much scarier when they're not trying to shoot guns at us.
When they're just going.
Yeah, when they just run up at us, it's way
Going at it.
scarier. Nearly 10 more times. Ugh, I don't want to get that close. I think the door is upstairs. Downstairs, I mean. Yeah. Oops. Oh, it's up again! Oh, shoot a fire! Alright.
Bits of flood everywhere.
Yeah. Door should be.
Yeah, here's the door.
Okay.
I'll go left.
Alright, going right. Oh,
Okay.
Did you just teleport?
Yep. Oh,
Alright,
Here
you
we
go.
go.
Alright,
This is the
I'm
room.
gonna go right.
they're upstairs.
Oops. Oh, there's a door over here.
Ow. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna assume you exploded somebody.
Yeah, I'm behind on the other side of the. Oh, there's another door here. Oh! Going left. I hear it.
Ow!
Come back. You good?
Who's shooting?
What the hell? Where am I? Oh, this is a dead end.
Oh, they're upstairs. Oh, okay, I remember.
There's
this
nothing in
one
this
now.
room.
Yeah,
It just
okay.
loops around, yeah.
Alright, we need a different room.
Yeah,
Behind
so-
you.
so, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Greetings from Latin America. Oh, hello. Alright, go to bed. Thanks for stopping by, Llama. And he's up. And he's down. Oh, blah, blah, blah. And he's down. Let me
The
just-
frick are you? Oh,
Right there, yeah. Alright,
I was
good.
like,
Let me just-
the fuck? Oh, there's one. Hello! Oh, okay, I'll take it. Kill two in one go.
Nice. I can't tell that's
Oh,
my-
there's so much ammo up here.
Nope. Oh, I'm like so. Oh, there it is. It's like I hear footsteps. How did you jump up there?
From the other side, I guess.
What? Okay, cool. It's a shotgun, but I'm very bad with a shotgun. I should
Shotgun,
use it.
give it.
Yeah.
I fucking shoot them all.
Nope. Is there a door down here?
I would hope so. Or we're supposed to jump up onto this platform and then up to the floor?
Yeah, try. Oh, wait. No, it's a red door.
I don't think we can actually get up from here. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah? Did you get up?
Nope.
I think it's the red door
music
then.
started.
Yeah, it's the red door. I'm going left. Going
Hi.
left. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh! Fuck me.
You're okay.
Alright, not doing a needler in here.
You're ready.
Yep. I'll go left.
Oh, well, he died. Come at me, dudes. Jump down. Oh, yep, they exploded. Good shit.
Oh.
Okay, where's the door?
God, this map. Okay. Huh, I don't see anything. Up? Nope, that's where we came from. This is weird.
Maybe we have to go back. Maybe we missed the door.
This is where we get lost.
Yep.
Frustrating.
It's just like a whole bunch of rooms where we just fight more.
Frustrating. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, I think the only thing we can do is jump on the platform and try and go up.
Okay.
But I don't know how you jump up from here.
Yeah.
To the
Oh,
right.
oh, right here, right here,
Yeah.
right here, right here, right here. Yeah, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Okay.
Alright.
Doors across.
Yep.
Left. Looks like bridge.
Oh, do we have to... Yeah.
Oh, the music. Oh, the red. Oh, there's so much red.
Shotguns are glorious.
Oh, you're not
Alright.
wrong. They really do just reuse the same rooms over and over again.
I mean, it was a long time ago when they made this. Alright, let's get the frick out of here.
Nice.
Finally, we're going up, not down.
So I feel separated good and the needle explosion works wonders. I agree.
Is that you?
Wow, she's
Oh, there's so
alive.
much yellow.
Disappeared inside the structure. What's
hell?
going on down there?
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
tracking movement all over the place.
How did we get here? Okay. We went backwards
did.
somehow.
Yep. It's because we're trying to get out of this godforsaken land with flood.
Okay. I hear grunts.
There's a large tower a few hundred meters from your current
Nope, those are not grunts.
above the fog and foliage canopy, and I can move in and pick you up.
Watch out, needlers. Yeah, they weren't in the room. I think they just got out already.
Yeah.
The Marines are to
Yeah.
our left.
Okay. Just follow them, I guess.
Yeah.
There's something red over there?
Yeah, to the right. They're shooting at
Run.
it.
Come on. Oh, no, it's a flood.
To the left.
Yep. Everywhere. What are you guys shooting at?
Just looking around me.
Over here.
Behind us. Oh, okay. Forward. I'm gonna need a new gun. Let's see. Cannot take their gun. Too bad.
Who the fuck are you shooting at, dude? Oh. Well, shotgun the tiny bulbs.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's fortunate but necessary.
jumping
All
over.
right.
So,
Someone's creeping in the water. Hello.
It was a 2001 game. They had to save money somehow. Hey, Warlock, what's up? My day has been good. Hope yours has been well. Where's the door to this?
Coming over.
Oh, okay. What's that yellow? What is that? Oh god, what is that?
Freaking robots.
They look like friends.
Oh, they're friends for now, so we don't have to kill them. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, did you go somewhere?